Hi everybody and welcome back. Got a bit more done today, so I'll just show you what we've been doing. We now have the turntable in situ and up and running. So Johnny, if you want to bring that gently onto that, what's it, straight, that's it, hold it there, swap the point over. Always is when the camera comes on, it's not quite lined up properly. There you go. Right, give it a turn. That's it. Right, then stick him into his siding. That's it. So that's that today. That's one job done. So the next job is we've decided to put the ore operating set in, and we've improvised a bit. This was on our original layout originally up in the loft, but we've got this little train set up with a ore wagon, and hopefully Johnny's going to bring it out the siding gently. If you set your point work. We still need to clean the track, but this is just a test to show you what we've been up to. Okay, go back, John. That's it, nice and slow. That's it. Bit more. That's it. Oh. Go on.
That point still.
Yeah, I haven't changed it. We've also put a cut-off switch on here. Obviously, we still got to plumb it in, but it shouldn't work now, John. No?
No.
Right, switch it on. So there you go. Alright, bring it back. Turn the switch off, and it should stop just past it. There you go. Oh, shit. Sorry about the S word there, people. Thought we was going to have a derailment. But that's what we've been up to today. Quite a short one today for us. But so obviously we're getting there. We've still got to sort sidings out for the turntable. I think they're going to come up to about here, and we're going to have a shed on here, aren't we?
Mm.
Yeah, maybe we can just spin them in, and then we can have the road come round into the town or whatever. But yeah.
We did try and get that to work.
Yeah, we tried the
He didn't want to have.
No, we tried the crossing, and it's
wouldn't wake up.
It's a no-show. So, but anyway, it looks good, doesn't it? Right, so that's it for today. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and more updates coming soon. Bye for now.